Tempeh, tempeh, tempeh. Are you also hearing about tempeh everywhere? Would like to know more about it and incorporate in your daily diet? So finally, I have come up with this video where I will explain what is tempeh, compare between tempeh and tofu, and will also find which is better. So hello friends, this is Sonal and I welcome you back on my health channel, Health with Sonal, and please do watch the full video. So what is tempeh? So basically, tempeh is a traditional Indonesian plant-based food made from fermented soybeans. It is made from whole soybeans that have been partially cooked and fermented with a good bacteria which helps to solidify the texture, allowing it to be pressed into a firm, dense slab. So when you look at tempeh, you can actually see the soybean shape. Tempeh has a firm and chewy texture and a slightly nutty and earthy flavor. Tempeh, which is made from soybeans, is a complete plant protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body is unable to produce. Tempeh is an excellent source of protein. It offers around 19 grams of protein per 100 grams of tempeh. Tempeh is also a good source of dietary fiber that promotes digestive health, and this combination of protein and fiber helps to keep you full for longer, which can be beneficial for weight management. Another impressive thing about tempeh is its iron content, as tempeh is a good source of iron. It's also a source of vitamin B12, an essential vitamin commonly missing in plant foods. Excellent source of B vitamins like riboflavin and niacin, and good source of vitamin B6 and folate. And there is also an impressive list of essential minerals in tempeh, including calcium, magnesium, and potassium. And now talking about the benefits of tempeh. So tempeh provides prebiotics to support gut health, improves digestion and absorption, reduces inflammation, promotes bone health, lowers cholesterol and blood pressure levels, improves insulin resistance, protects your heart, and reduces menopausal symptoms. Now let us compare tempeh and tofu and understand which is better and why. So while tempeh originated in Indonesia, tofu hails from China, and like tempeh, tofu is also a soy-based product. But tempeh is made from fermented soybeans, and on the other hand, tofu is made from soy milk. And while tempeh and tofu are both made from soybeans, they are quite different in taste and texture, and with tempeh having a firmer texture than tofu. Also, tempeh is higher in calories, so a typical serving size of tempeh consists around 140 calories, and in tofu it's around 80 calories, making tofu less calorie dense than tempeh. Tempeh also contains more protein and fiber compared to tofu, and despite being full of nutrients, tempeh has less calcium than tofu. Tofu is a fantastic source of calcium and contains more calcium on average than tempeh. And while tofu, although healthy, is a heavily processed food product, and tempeh on the other hand is a whole food and less processed. So when you slice a block of tempeh, you can actually see the shapes of the beans that have been pressed together. So tempeh is a fermented food rich in prebiotics, is high in fiber and complex carbohydrates, and tempeh offers other health benefits too, as the fermentation process breaks down the phytic acids in soybeans, making them more digestible for us. So it's great for anyone who normally suffers from uncomfortable side effects after eating beans. This means the nutrients, including the many important minerals in soybeans such as calcium, iron, and magnesium, also become more bioavailable and better absorbed by our bodies. Hence, nutritionally, tempeh does have the edge over tofu, and be it tempeh or tofu, it's always best to buy organic. And unlike other fermented foods, tempeh must be cooked and it cannot be eaten raw. So this was all for today's videos, and please do like and share if you found the video helpful. Thanks.